This is a student announcement. Would Izzy Vallis please come to reception? Izzy Vallis to reception. Thank you.
Oh.
You're not Izzy.
I'm Izzy Summer. And it says on it,
That's it, brilliant.
like I get there's a light essentially on their ear. So I just would like to press on their ear. Complete job.
Leon.
Right,
okay.
You're smart. I am like I'm smart. Rubble.
I think the floor's new
It's
line.
like two
Harry. Harry. I'll read it.